What is collective impact? The world faces many complex and challenging problems. We feel the impact of these challenges locally in the places we live, work and play. There are many people and organisations working to address the challenges, but they do not always work together. This can cause confusion and inefficiency, leading to poor community outcomes. So, how do we get everyone on the same page and moving forward in the same direction together? This is where collective impact can provide a way forward. Collective impact is about people and organisations coming together in a structured way to achieve social change. There are 5 conditions of collective impact. Let's review them. 1. Common agenda. This involves people coming together to clearly define the issue or problem and create a way to solve it. 2. Shared measurement system. Agreeing to track progress in the same way to enable continuous improvement. 3. Mutually reinforcing activities. This involves maximising the end result through coordinated, collective efforts. 4. Continuous communication. This means building trusting relationships and maintaining regular dialogue between all parties. 5. Backbone organisation. This requires a strong person or team driving and directing the work of the group. The conditions of collective impact can offer sport deliverers at all levels a method for building effective partnerships and momentum towards successful inclusive outcomes.